The Bosch Dishwasher error code E29 indicates a problem with the drainage system. And common causes of this error include a clogged garbage disposal or a blocked drain hose. To fix this issue, it is necessary to identify and address the root cause. One possible solution is to check the garbage disposal by first unplugging the dishwasher from the power source, then using a flashlight to inspect for any clogs inside the disposal. If clogs are found, remove any solid debris from the pipe. Use a plunger to remove any standing water, and pour baking soda and vinegar down the drain before rinsing with running water. Finally, run the garbage disposal to clear any remaining debris. Another possible solution is to check the drain hose by switching off the dishwasher, removing the bottom rack, and unscrewing the drain filters. Use a flexible but strong wire to remove any clogs. Then pour baking soda and vinegar down the drain. After clearing the clog, reinstall the filters. Return the bottom dish rack to its original position, and run a normal wash cycle to clear any remaining debris, thus resolving the error code E29 issue.